What was the aha moment for you in deciding that you wanted to start this modern indoor farming company? And how does it tie to the previous company that you founded, CrowdTwist?
So in my first company, what really powered me was an intense desire to be a founder. The other piece for me was I am a fundamental believer in the power of technology and the innovation economy to solve hard and difficult problems. And I was building a great marketing technology company, but was not necessarily focused on problems that had a broader based impact. And that became increasingly important to me.
So how did you stumble on agriculture as that problem to solve?
When you really start to look at it, agriculture is at the epicenter, whether it's directly or indirectly, of an enormous number of the problems that we face today, whether it be certainly environmental problems, but health problems. I mean, you look at questions around obesity in not only this country, but other countries, and the quality of the food that we're eating. A lot of these can be traced back to our agricultural system in one way or another. In the next 35 years, we're going to have 9 to 10 billion people on the planet. And the UN will tell you that we need somewhere between 50 to 70% more food to feed that growing population. And that's a big number. I mean, we have to grow more food in the next 40 years than we've grown in the last 10,000.
You're also a technology company. You have an operating system called Bowery OS, which is kind of the brains of your farm. You use software, you use machine learning, you use algorithms, and these are all things that you built in-house.
Yeah. Technology for us means a lot of things. It's mechanical engineering and systems engineering, but it's also a lot of software engineering. And so you can think about the Bowery OS as the brains of our farm. It is like the central nervous system of our farm. So we take millions of data points in real time, and we ingest those data through a whole sensor and control system, which our team has actually developed on its own. And our system analyzes that data, and then we actually have a plant vision system. And that plant vision system is taking photos of our crops in real time, and it's running them through our own machine learning algorithms. We can look and say, what's happening with this crop right now? Is it healthy? What am I seeing? But then also predict, what am I going to see with this crop based on what I've seen in the past? And then all that data gets run through other algorithms that we've developed, and we actually are able to say, based on what we see now, what we expect we'll see, and all we know about the variables around this plant, what tweaks and changes do we want to make?